So you're in your garage and you're working on your little project car and you got to order some parts. Well, sometimes you get good US made parts and sometimes you get some China junk. Let me show you a couple examples. And the parts start arriving for the Barracuda, the made in US parts, and some of the others. Well, you know the US stuff is probably pretty good, but what do you do with the other stuff when it's not so good? Okay, fair enough, right? Okay, so what do you do with the parts from China that ended up just being trash? Let me tell you. And let me give you the perfect example. Chinese BBD 2-barrel knockoff carburetor. All right, see the spring action on here? Okay, where the way it's set up, it wants to put the throttle arm back. It's open. It doesn't close with the spring. It opens with the spring. Good stuff, right? No. So what do you do with it? All right, you take the offending auto part, put it in the worst box you have, tape that son of a gun closed any which way possible. And when you think you've used enough tape, you get a Sharpie. 2. Fumalanda Auto Parts. China. From Dr. R. And then when you got your box addressed, put your label on it, send it back. Let me show you how to get an exact address for a stupid factory in China. And get yourself onto Google Maps, pick out a place in China, like this one, and send it back to China. And that's right, guys. Go into your garage tonight, or wherever you keep all your parts, basement, whatever. Find the biggest piece of that you can find that was made over there, put it in a box, and hashtag send it back to China. That's the short one for tonight, guys. Thanks. Questions, comments, concerns below. Let me know. And remember, hashtag send it back to China.